right. No. Yes. Like this. Ready? Okay. Wait. Okay. No, wait. I gotta get the move first. Okay, like a belly dancer. Yeah. Like this. Here. What are you laughing at? Okay, here. See? I can feel it.
God, aren't the men who married these two so lucky?
What? Okay, 1, 2, 3. See, woo! You're all wrong! See, that's it. I need to swoosh more. Okay, here we go. Woo, good Tess. Look out of the way. Out of the way, Hazel. Okay. You know what you did? You had your hands up in the air.
Yeah, that's what did it.
Did she have her hands up in the air? Yes, she did. She had it up like this, like she was riding a horse. You're not recording this, are you? Yes. Okay, here we go. Watch out, kids. I might get wild. We're playing too here. Okay, here we go. Troy, out of the way. I'm gonna. Look at her. Tess, that's good. How did you do that? Woo! Tess, come get Tess. Woo!
Oh, Lord.
Tess, what move did you do with that? Show me your move. Show us.
You kind of have the legs kind of so it stays up on the hip, kind of bend your legs like that, so it stays up here. Like this.
Oh, she put it out farther.
I think that to keep it from kind of.
Okay. Whoops, I'd lose it after the second hop.
God, maybe I'll be on Tosh.0 or
What?
Attack of the Show.
Okay, I'm going to do this one. I can do this.
Yeah,
Here we go. Woo, woo, woo.
Oh, from home?
Look at this. I am. Maybe you should try your neck. I don't know if I can. My neck's so messed up with my back. Not there. I did that much more. It stayed up longer.
Oh, Lord.
Do it. It's